stations. So here's 5 stations. Please welcome the Seaking Mark 5 from 771 Squadron. And it's great. 771 known as also the Ace of Spades, and if you look really closely at the nose cone of the Seaking, you'll see a little Ace of Clubs. Quite a remarkable platform and machine, of course, the Seaking, a British license-built version of the American Sikorsky S-61 helicopter of the same name, built by Westland Helicopters. The aircraft itself differs considerably from the American version, with Rolls-Royce Gnome engines derived from the General Electric T-58, British-made anti-submarine warfare systems and fully computerized flight control systems as well. Seaking, primarily designed for performing anti-submarine warfare, but also used as a troop carrier with the Jungly squadrons, known as the Commando, and of course as a really outstanding search and rescue machine as well. In addition to that, the baggers, as they're known in the Royal Navy, the ASACs, also provide the requirement for a shipborne, airborne early warning platform as well. So a real multi-role aircraft, the Seaking. Although we're focusing on rescues today, these rescues of course can vary enormously. Not just from the ocean, generally speaking, on a dark winter filthy night, I think there's less. Mark 5 variant, known as the HU, that just merely denotes that it's helicopter utility, specifically designed in this case for the search and rescue style operations. Arrived out of the HAS variant, the helicopter anti-submarine, previously used by the Royal Navy in that launch. By the 2 Rolls-Royce gas turbine engines with a top speed in the region of 125 miles an hour, which can remain in the air for in excess of 4 hours. That means the aircraft is capable of carrying out rescue missions in all weathers, day or night, out to about